Okay. Right. So previous class, what we did? Yeah, ठीक है कंफर्टेबल है ठीक है so previous class we discussed about the users, right? How to create the user, how to time restriction, how to log on restriction particular user, and how to apply the password, right? Password changes and how can we log on to the server, right? The user. Special permission means log on locally, permission we have to give. Then the user domain user is converted to local user, so that time you can able to log on, right? So that user get the two permission. One is domain user, obviously by default is domain user. When you provide the local permission, so that time the user became a local user as well as domain user. So that time we can log in. But that user doesn't have the all permissions, right? Mr. Tariq Tahir. Mr. Tahir said that easily we can add in the administrator group. Already I explained this. So doesn't matter. That is the easy one. But this user get the all privileges whatever administrator has, right? But I don't want explanation, right? Because that is yes. So that is the reason security purpose I'm not giving that all purpose. That user is different. In real time, they are changed the administrator name. Administrator, for example, Usman is the administrator. So administrator will change administrator name to Usman. And Usman we created, that user is converted to the administrator. समझ में आई बात ये हाँ अब ठीक है
प्राइवेसी बैकअप होता है
नहीं दो दूसरे हाँ नहीं एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर यूजर है बाय डिफॉल्ट तो रियल टाइम में क्या करते हैं दैट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर यूजर कन्वर्ट टू द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर फॉर एग्जांपल Usman is the administrator. So we are going to change the administrator rename, administrator username as Usman, right? So we create the user, that user we give the permissions, right? Whatever privilege, not administrator, whatever privileges. I will show you how to give the permissions, right? So that privileges which user has the little few privilege, that user name we kept administrator. ये जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर यूजर बना रहा है उसको थोड़े परमिशन देते हैं उसका नाम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर है उसका नाम रीनेम कर देते उस्मान रखते तो उसको पता नहीं रहता कि उस्मान है तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर जब एनी चेंजेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर वांट so that time administrator login is समझ में आएगा क्या है नाम आपका मोहम्मद असद कहाँ से हो कल से ध्यान से तो क्लास जाए करनी तो पूरे now that's why so ये नहीं लास्ट दो क्लास ठीक है ओके चलिए हाँ that's good practical english ठीक so this is a server dashboard from here previous in 2008 you doesn't find a dashboard because two role is different server or features roles and features two alag separate portion in 2008 but 2012 they are merged okay so when you find roles and features at a time same option okay so here dashboard so from dashboard you can control the everything that is the new feature in the 2012 from the 2012 2016 2019 okay 19 23 okay right for the after the corona right so this is done so now I will password user how to create how to assign the password we are seeing right now we are going to see open what is the command to open the active directory users in computers ये रहता है या ऐसा नहीं ऐसा रहता है क्लासरूम में right that's tell me
रामन
वही एक्टिविटी खोले ऐसे क्या मारना वही पूछ रहा हूँ मैं.
DSA.MSc.
Run command मारना.
Okay, open command, right. हाँ.
Sir,
DSA dot.
DSA.MSc.
So we are actually directly. Right. So here, right click, new user. I'm creating the user. Next. Here password we are seeing. Right. SST at the rate 123. SST at the rate 123. Yes. 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 So till here we are discussing, right? And how to change this password policy we are seeing from the group policy. From the group policy. Okay. We can change the password. जरा बोलते रहो तो काम करते हैं. हाँ. लेकिन करते हैं. Okay. Here there is 4 options, right? User must change password at next log. User, क्या मतलब? Login करेंगे. Generally user, when the user is trying to log on his own system, means it is only in the company. Okay, so whatever company is allowed to you, whatever laptop you use. When you try to log on, first time you will change. Why? Because I'm administrator. I get the password is very difficult password. For me, that is easy. That is an easy password, but only people are not user, right? So, but because in the real time, administrator minimum 8 to 9 passwords should be memorized, right? So that is the reason he had the habit to memorize, right? Got the point? मेरे Facebook का password के 24 characters है. 24 characters. क्यों देख नहीं होते? So that is the long password, right? Yeah. So that is administrator, but for employer that is very difficult password, right? So that is the reason what I did. So I will assign the password when you create it. So once the user is logged in first time, the password will be asked. New system is asking. Okay, hello, compulsory you have to change. Then you can log in. So that is the option. You must be change password next time. That is the real time. Real time you have to give this permission compulsory. Okay, that is the option. Compulsory. Right? So according to you, you can assign password. A password will be if you forget the password. No group policy. Group policy has that the group policy है. Administrator. So you call to the administrator. Here in our situation, we are administrator, we are employer, right? So we have to go to the administrator. Administrator. Where we will go, we will go Active Directory and directly click on reset password. Reset password. So whatever password you can see, you can say. Again select this one. Already by default is selected. So whatever again you can change procedure. Okay. Otherwise you can send a mail. You can send because always he can have the information that password information, right?
Yes, we can press from here. I press it.
Yes, already I told you, right?
Yeah. Here also.
So yes, everywhere complete. Here, whatever letter you find it underlined, so that letter you have to use with the alt, right? So I want to remove, so alt M here. I want to assign alt M because letter समझ में नहीं आई बात. हाँ मालूम है. हाँ किधर थे आप? नहीं आई थे मगर जान तो आप थे लेकिन किधर जहाँ पे शॉर्टकट में सोच रहे थे आप तो क्या बता रहे हैं एम के पीछे पीछे वहां सोच रहे थे. मैं क्या बताया जो भी लेटर के नीचे लेटर है ना एम डब्ल्यू ओ एन बी सिंपल अंडरलाइन है.
जी हाँ.
You find the underline. So you have to use that letter with the alt. So that time that is enable purpose, right? तो अब यहाँ पर रहिए आप देखिए यहाँ पर जाने के लिए टैब दबाऊंगा. कितना टाइम वेस्ट करा. फिर नीचे जाने के लिए अकाउंट, राइट? So that is the reason if I am here, so I want to go here. So directly what I can use alt O. There again it's मालूम है. Thank you so much. Clear? So that is the option. And second option, user cannot change password. Means whatever administrative password is assigned, user must use that password, right? Got over? So that way. Second, password never expire. Already we discussed, right? By default is 42 days, right? Maximum. By default. Minimum 1 day. Minimum 1 day. Age. Everybody going to expire, right? हर एक को मौत आना right? So password be also is going to be expired, right? How many days? By default 42 days. Minimum एक दिन का बच्चा था वो, अब कितने एज रह सकती है? तो बाय डिफॉल्ट जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जो पॉलिसी असाइन करती है ग्रुप पॉलिसी बाय डिफॉल्ट 42 days. 42 days automatically you get same option. You have to assign the new password. Okay, so when you type the new password again 42 days by default, but according to our company we have to change that one. Okay, so some people 5 days, some people every day, some people for hours. Okay, so according to company policy, according to company security purpose you have to do. समझ में आ गया बात? That is the password never expire. Account is disabled. Okay, so one by one we can go, right? So first I will go with the user must change password. Next, log off from log out. Control out plus delete. Another user. Asset. Asset one, only asset.
Asset SST.
There's the practice. This is the practice. Practice make it perfect. The user password must be changed before signing. Must be changed. In the real time, through the message, through the WhatsApp, through the mail, because everything in the mail. So I will say username, assert, and password, SST at the end. So I said, so I administrator never tells you every time, right? So username and password. So what he did, he opened the mail and copy username and copy the password. So he paste. So he get the message, right? Because that thing is no. So because there is no other option. If cancel again same. So he's going to click. अपना दिमाग थोड़ा लगा लेना पड़ेगा, right? अगर है तो. Clear? Never. So India at 1 to 3. आ गया बोलते हैं आ गया एडवांस है क्या कीबोर्ड प्रेस कर अब बताइएगा if I log off again I try to log on so that time again it will ask me change the password. Yes, only one time okay because option is available here always so that time always is asking because option is available right still that is available right so you that is not means every time is asking right so only first time is mentioned. Clear? Now second user I'm creating asset one. So that time I'm selecting this time I'm selecting user cannot change and password never expire. Assign his password, his own password. but to change because my password is very difficult. Obviously, because some other password you will forget, right? So that is the reason. If you assign yourself, so that time you can introduce it. If you forget, so doesn't matter. We can change. Okay. So here, often user cannot change password. Cannot change it. Whatever password I assign, same password he has. Never expire. Next, log off, log on. Control Alt plus delete. Hmm? Yes. Password never change. No. Okay. One.
Space one.
Password is still. That's only app mouse. None of them, right? User must be whatever password I assign, you will use it. No. For example, Asad forget the password. So that time, inform to administrator and administrator and click reset password. New password. I ID also India at 150. I ID also India at 150. Oh, understand. No. What is the password? Previous Asad India at because he was. Now log off and log on with Asad. No, only Asad. Here. Everything. Because he forget again, he will assign his own password, right? So whatever I password assign, he never see, right? The same only mail, but we can't use next only one. Clear? So this is it. Now, third one I'm creating one more. Then user must change the password and you cannot required to change the password in the movie. Exactly. Contradictory statement. Naturally. So we need to select account is user मतलब user currently not not sure. That is hide coming out. अच्छा लॉगिन कर दे देखिए ओ गलत कर दिए तुमने नहीं यार टाइप सेट नहीं हुआ असर टू पे शिफ्ट शिफ्ट टैब ऑफिस जाना है तो शिफ्ट टैब पे बैक जाना है नहीं एसएसपी पासवर्ड एक ही रहता है बस अरे वही दे दिया इतना जल्दी क्यों वही पढ़ना है एरर ही पढ़ना है हाँ your account has been disabled please see your system disabled when we can use this one this option अब उस्मान भाई छुट्टी पे चले गए, राइट? वीकेंड दिसंबर आया था ना, क्रिसमस वगैरह तो छुट्टी पे 10 दिन लॉन्ग वीकेंड पे चले। दैट टाइम आई कैन यूज this option. So account is going to be disabled. Maybe is assigned VPN or we want to log on from outside. It's possible, right? Otherwise, we make some my against party, right, and take the money because and he tried to log on. Anything is possible, right? It's possible. So somebody not leave anybody, right? So that is the reason when leave on me. So that's it. Same like that in Exchange server also. Exchange mail. So those people are on leave. Those people are resign or temporary deputation also. So in the you have heard the company person is went to the USA some other country for 1 month, right? Deputation. So that time also that account is going to be disabled. Email ID also disabled. So temporarily email ID we are actually yeah, automatically. Or some behalf of admission someone is so same thing we are using Excel. Okay. Here. No, here disabled means here. See. Aroma. Aroma. Yeah. So with the help of this identification, we can see the this account is disabled. Okay. Guest also says like that. Guest user. Here, guest. So already I told you yesterday, two user by default is come when you install the install operating system. With the operating system, automatically two user will come, right? One is administrator, second is guest. Guest is disabled. But if you enable, but it doesn't have any privileges as an administrator. Administrator only has the administrative user privilege. Okay, clear, right? So this is the password policy, right? Logout threshold we have seen, right? 3 attempts, yes, yes, previous class. So this is the one. Now, now folder sharing. The next topic, share folder. Yeah, data sharing folder. Share folder. Whatever you want to write, share folder. Yeah, this is my this is the folder Al-Khair. I create. And this is a complete data, right? In workflow model, whatever data we are creating, we are saved in the system. So administrator or data who's maintain the database, so that person need to go each and every system and take the backup or copy from the system, right? Whatever pen drive, external hard disk, whatever, right? So that is the reason in this domain policy or domain administrator, centralized administrator, we have the option only centralized database we can manage. Centralized database we can manage means our all database is going to be stored in particular system. Okay, this system we can manage, we can configure to any system. That's only create the folder and share it, right? You can keep this folder as a server also in any of the system. So that server is called storage or database server. Got the point? So that is the reason I need to share this folder and assign the permission, right? Whatever permission. That is the clear, right? So I have this data. This data every user want to access, or particular department, particular user want to access, right? So there is two. One data everyone can access. Everybody can access. Second data only department wise. Okay. Otherwise, only these people can assign, right? But in single lab, I will show you, right? How can assign the permission? Okay, two in one, I will show you. How to assign, how to give the permission. So means one user can access this folder, one user cannot access to this folder, right? एक user access कर सकता और एक user access नहीं कर सकता. By default, every user can access. First, we will see. क्या देखेंगे?
By default.
Every user can access this folder, means he can open, right? Every user can open this folder and whatever data you want to store, he can store, right? Every user, that's clear. And second lab we have seen only one user can access, another user cannot access because that user belongs to this department, so that is the reason that user can access. Other user cannot access that permission. Clear? समझ में आ रही बात? हाँ. जरा clear है. का मकसद भी समझ में आता है. अच्छी बात. जिंदगी पूरा जिंदगी भर तक चेहरा खिला हुआ रहता है, मौत के बाद भी बोलते हैं लोग. ठीक है ना? So here I'm creating some data. This is my data. Okay, in this folder, I'll have folder. This is my data. Now I want to access from here. I can access now. Yes, sir. I can access. Is common? It's common. It's common. Why? Why I can? Yes. Right? Because we create the server. We create the server. This folder. So that is the reason you can access. Okay. आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं?
Create करें ना सर तो.
नहीं, time out.
If we can create, then we can.
We create. Yes, we create and data भी है इसके अंदर. We have create the data. Get the data out inside this folder. Inside this folder, insert the information. So every user wants access. Every user wants access. So the user can access now in this situation. Yes, very good. All right. आप भी बोले access. No, आप क्या बोले सर? जल्दी बोलो. Okay. Access कर सकते.
जैसे user permission के.
वो permission second thing है. अब just I create the user folder. In that I have the data, right?
Yes, sir.
Right now in this situation, all user can access this folder or data or not?
No, sir.
No. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Give the path, then access. Right. Open. Jaldi. Asad. Now, the situation is, we said that we need to give the path, right? Why we need to give the path? Because this system, this user doesn't know. This user doesn't know anything, right? So my folder server side in the server database, okay, server system hard disk, okay. So first, but in the network, multiple servers is available. In the network, in my network, my organization, multiple servers. So in this server, the folder has, we don't know. So that is the reason first I need to know in which system have that folder, right? Okay. And first thing I need to enter the network because he's open, right? He's open. That is the local database. Local database means storage. But where is the folder? Server. In the server side. So he's open local database, so he can able to access. Simple सी बात है. वो कहानी सुनते थे ना. बाहर से घूमे घर में घूमे तो बाहर में लाइट नहीं है बाहर वैसा हो जाता, right? That is. So here we can. So need to give the path, right? So but I need to enter the network. But how I can enter? Right? Because we need to tell to this system, hello system, whatever folder I want to access, that database, that folder is not available in your database, right? So that database is available in network system. So first I need to tell the network. In network, he's asking, okay, you are telling the network, but I found many system. In which system? So that is the reason I need to provide this system name or IP address. But this is the Windows operating system both, so you can assign the name, NetBROWS name, okay, or computer name also, because they can understand. Okay, after that you have multiple folders. In that particular folder you want to go, so after that you can assign the folder name, right? But how I can assign, how I can say, because you can't understand or speaking language, right? So how I can say? So there is two methods, right? One, Windows, so network. Click on network. This one will be fast. Network. So here empty. Um, clear beta रहा हूँ. तो बोला आप सब बात ये access कर सकते हैं, right? So that is the result. So I'm in the network, computer company network, right? So that time is not showing this folder. Clear, right? Another way, और एक method है access करने के लिए. Right. Open run command. Only type dot enter. See what is open? Profile. So I'm telling that means computer can understand the coding also, right? But our language is not understand coding, right? So I'm giving the only dot, so he's open the profile, user profile. Open run command only slash backslash. Backslash. Enter. Now is open. So that is root. The backslash, this one is considered as a root partition. Root partition means C partition. So I'm not typing any command. Just I'm typing only slash. Slash is not a make sense. कुछ letter लिखा तो दिखता है ना A लिखा ना B लिखा खाली slash. So means computer understand coding also, right? Slash. So that is the reason I need to tell hello boss, not in your database, network database. So I need to enter the network. So how I can enter the two backslash. So this is the network. Double slash. So double slash means the network. Now I enter the network. After that, I need to assign that because multiple computers is there. So in this system, I need to enter. That is the reason I need to do. So how can I identify the computer name? Right. Let's click on property. Remember, also the computer name you have to change. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Yes. Okay. So this is the right. Type W. Once you type, automatically memorize WIR happen. QCA J 1B 9B 9L 9 BB. Yes. Okay. Here. अल्खर बता रहा फोल्डर आपके लिए अल्खर बता रहा so system value folder already you know, right? Because by default sharing folder by so it's not showing. So right? Because we are not sharing, so till that time you are not sharing, you can't access, you can't open, right? So that is the reason I need to be close to the system on the I need to share. How I can share? Right click, properties, and click on share. थोड़ी सी प्रतीक्षा थोड़ा सा देगा वो क्या है click on share. Now here option is there, everyone or find the people. Particular user you want to give the permission to access or everyone. So I'm giving everyone, right? Find the okay, click on now everyone have only read because they are developers, they want to make changes anything, right? So that is the reason I am giving the permission, full permission, read and write permission. Click on OK, read, click on done, close. Sir, ये तो दोनों ही considered है. दोनों. आ गया? Copy and paste. Select all, Control A. Virus attack.
माउस यूज नहीं करना
बंदे की हेल्प नहीं लेना. बहुत मुश्किल हो जा रही है. नहीं ओपन करते हो आप. नहीं इंटर मांगे. कंट्रोल ए, कंट्रोल सी, कंट्रोल बी, कंट्रोल बी, कंट्रोल बी करो, कंट्रोल सी हो गया. ओपन कर दो. ये प्रॉब्लम है. यहाँ पे
कॉपी करा
ओके. किसको और मुद्दा किसको. यस यहाँ पे आ जाओ. अब डिलीट करो. Delete no, delete. Because I'm giving the full permission, read and write permission. So automatically we delete or create. Create one folder. Create automatically. Just create. Right. Clear. So this is a permission I can, means everyone can access, right? Clear. So now log off and log on. Which user you log on? Assert one. So now you log on with user. How to enable? So click on account and see here. Never change. Never go account is defined. Apply. Log on with accept. This is clear. is always to find this. It depends on the hardware because this hardware is basic. Nowadays the technology is come and within 5 to 6 seconds the system will boot. First they launched this technology in laptop. Okay, within 3 to 5 seconds the operating system is work on that. Understand?
Windows sensor is the button says
Right. Can you understand? Open run command. Run command. Click here. Click here. Double slash. Then the win hyphen. क्या था? QCA. B9. Open. So you can open. Right click. Right. Copy. Right. Here. Right. Now this time I don't want Asad to access this folder. I don't want because Asad 2 is belong to different department. Right? And Asad 1 is belong to the same. So Asad 1 can access, but Asad 2, right? So that is the reason I need to assign a permission. This is a folder permission, right? So how I can handle this here? Select right click, properties, sharing. Now advanced sharing. Click on advanced sharing. Now here permission. Here everyone. Just we need to remove everyone. That is the logic. Remove everyone. Everyone know. All are right. All employer, all user can access. All user can access. समझ में आ गया कि यहाँ पर बोलने में थोड़ा right. ये जाना मुश्किल है आदमी तो जैसे जो भी सीखना नहीं सीखना है एजुकेशन बोलने के आदत राइट चुप रहने के आदत सब आदमी बराबर so here everyone just I need to remove everyone now add which user I need to add because I need to give the permission to only Asad Asad to deny Asad Asad can access so I need to allow Asad can access right I deny to whom Asad 2 user can't access. So check name here. Already I told you last class previous. Just AS whatever is so Asad can access. Right? Kose se login Asad 1 se Asad 2 se login. Asad 2 se.
sir, we can't select multiple at a time.
Good question. Select कर लेना. Clear? Okay. Now, which permission? Full control. Whatever. Click on apply. Click on OK.
Full control, half control.
Full control. Change and read. Change means you can change, modify, right? But you can't do anything. Delete, work. Read means only he can read. You can't create anything. So full means everything. Apply. Okay.
Yeah, दूसरे यूजर को भी फाइल से क्रिएट का ऑप्शन दे दो अभी। मैं ऐसा पूरा हम भी ले लेते हैं।
What is the error? Permission to access. Yes, yes. Now log on with assert user. Which user name is log? Other name. Click on assert. Open. You can hold it. Now log on with Amjad. Yeah, list number भी हो जाता है और background process is running. I don't want to background process. The process is current to the QCA J1 B9 B9 need the permission. Okay, because need permission. So that is the reason clear. So this is the folder permission. Okay, department hai, the same like that you can assign. Okay, whatever demand. Just he said it because department multiple users, right? So select the all users, which user belong to that department, right? For example, sales. So select share folder sales, right click and select find out and all user belong which belong that all user belong to the sales department. Select all user and add permission. That's it. Clear? So that. So now the share folder is having the data and we can access, right? So how to create the share folder? How can access from the client system to the share folder, right? And how I can assign the permission to the right. Clear? What is the point? What is the point? Now, what happened? By mistake, some happens, right? Because have this guy means that user has a full permission, but he want to see right click something, right? But unfortunately, he's clicked deleted.
Permanently.
So he's going to delete it permanently or recycle it? Yes, recycle it. If I delete only, I access the share folder, right? I access the share folder, right? So accidentally, I want to see something, but I click on delete. So the file is going to delete. So where is going to be stored? The second bin or delete? Recycle bin, right? Recycle bin. We are not using the shift delete, only delete. Only delete. कहाँ जाते? Recycle. हाँ? पक्का ना recycle bin में. अच्छा okay. Okay, I agree. Recycle bin. So which recycle bin? This system recycle bin or server recycle bin? Server. Server recycle bin. Right. Very good. Okay. देख लेंगे. Right? देख लेंगे. So all are correct or wrong? Let's see. Wait and watch. Asad से होगा. Full control. Who has the full control? Asad. So log on with Asad. जूते खाए बाबू जूते खानी आ यार ऐसा नहीं ऐसा मारना था वो और एक मिसाल भी है राइट
There is no folder you need to say in that.
ना सपोर्ट नो डिलीट कर पहले हम बात कर रहे थे यार देखिए यार मैं तो नहीं देखा banking so is deleted but it's not goes to the recycle bin this local system now go and check अब बोलिए अब याद रहिए नहीं नो you know delete कर तो वहां के recycle bin को check कर so there is no any folder right okay. So that whatever is delete so that all files is come to the disk server recycle bin or not क्यों so that because the all information is here, right? The all files is here in the server, right? So yes, previous I show you, right? When is created, automatically is created here. When is deleted, automatically is deleted here, right? Yes. So that recipe, that all deleted files goes to the here server recipe or not? Yes. Maybe not. Why not? If yes, why is here? Because they have the reason, right? Because we create here, so that is the reason is come. Server recycle that our file is come to the recycle bin. You say maybe. So what is the reason? It is not so. Why? That's an asking.
All permission.
What's the permission? We are not assigned any permission. Right. Go and see here. Clear? Because Abnormal, right? Because when you create the shared folder and accessing from on the client side, right? Whatever you is permanent. Permanent. That is the rule of the shared folder. So if you delete, so by default is shift delete. Only you pressing the delete. So that is nothing permanent delete, right? Not only delete.
We can
Permanent shift delete, like a shift delete. You can't restore. Because if available in the storage, so that time you can restore it. But not here now. So this is the problem, right? Because that important file, that is the project, new project submission, and last date 5 o'clock, right? Now is delete because we don't have the copy, right? Because when send, so that is the project because we need to send the quotation. You got the point. So he's created because time is what first I will send. So after that I will copy this quotation. He's thinking, right? That he's sending, when he's sending or before sending, he did this work. Means delete. Again, we need to create the file, so it takes a minimum 1 hour. And time only 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, right? So that time we have one option. We can restore temporarily, or you can say whatever deleted, accidentally deleted files we can restore with the help of offline folder. Offline folder. You know. Okay. So we need to configure the offline folder. So that time accidentally whatever file is deleted, we are not restored, we are not copied. So that temporarily we can do. Okay, clear? That is offline folder. Clear? Now how can I assign that offline folder? We need to create a folder. Yes. Right click. And you can get a just okay, these are the files, right? So now go right click. Right. So I need to configure the offline folder. So from the server, I need to configure. So I need to use some updates. Then I can configure, right? Because I need to install the services. But this thing I can do from the client side also. How I can last remotely I can take the client system and I can configure, right? So remotely I can take, I will do it. So now in this situation, I'm not going to remote work for this. So just right click, Alpha, and select always available offline. Click कर दिए. So now, see here, what is IP address? What is the IP address? 10.0.10.0.100. No. What is the command? IP config. IP. run command. Here. This is one not one.
This is nothing. This is
Ping. So, ping. Ping. Yes, I get the reply, right? Okay. Ping. Double element. Right? I think that's the plan. So I configure offline folder, right? Something like that. What I did, right click and click for always available offline. Right? That's it. Now this is like a table name, right? So here, what I meant, my network is goes down.
those conditions.
ठीक है जी? See here. Think करो. Right. So general field. Right. Now open, run command, and access the shell folder. Right.
सर पलक की निकालिए कनेक्शन
अभी समझ जाते हैं
में ऑफलाइन
because there is no connection. Okay, there is nothing, right? But still I can access because in the company it happens, right? People are working, right? If suddenly network is goes down, they are upload, download, so that time it creates a problem, right? Because again they need to install, upload and download, right? So that is the reason what happened. Here we configure the offline folder. So if the network is available or goes down, whatever happens. So still you can access your database folder and you can do, right? Change, modify it, or create. Create copy and paste. Okay. Right. Okay. But now see here. Now previous is automatically when it's created automatically is update here, right? Now this time is not. Why? Because there is no physical connectivity, right? But we require the update, right? When will you update? Just connect. Okay, restart with the system. Here. What else? Because now network is connectivity is available, network is come back. Refresh. Yes, no need. Automatically update. So what is the benefit with the help of offline folder? With the help of offline folder, we can access the folder, particular folder or database folder when network is not available, right? Right? So, okay, when will update will become? When the network is come back, so automatically the replicated or synchronized to the server, right? The database synchronized to the server when is come on the network, right? This is the delete, then we can bring back. Yes, then we are I will show you. Open. नहीं, अलग बात कम है, एक ही लाइन में दो दो चीजें कंफ्यूज है तो सभी समझ में आ रही तो बात समझ में आ रही ठीक है तो दैट इज द ठीक है नाउ clear so that is the offline folder right when the network is available so that time we can right so now you are that is now I'm going to configure right so how we can configure so first thing because I need to know where in which partition in hard disk in which partition my share folder is available in which partition G right right click properties and shadow copy okay. With the help of shadow copy we can access deleted files we can restore them. Okay.
Sir, how long it will be there?
Hmm?
How long it will be there? कितने के अंदर है आप कभी भी एक्सेस कर लेते हैं डिलीट होने के बाद?
No, I will tell you. Right? Delete time only time restrictions. From morning, if you unconfigure now 4:45, I configure right.
Yes.
Till that time, from last one day, yesterday, day before yesterday, till 5:45 till now,
Yes.
whatever you deleted, you can recover. But after 5 o'clock, whatever you created,
Yes.
you want to restore that one, you can't. So that time what you need to do again, this refresh, shadow copy, you have to refresh the shadow copy. How to refresh? Enable or disable.
अभी जो डिलीट हुआ वो shadow का इसमें काम
Clear the shadow copy. Create file. Close for you. Without voice में lab 45 हो जाता है सेम चीज ये वॉइस को आने दो चलाना तो उससे right. So with the help of shadow copy, whatever we can delete accidentally, we can
Yes, sir.
delete. With the help of offline folder, we can access if network is closed now. Right. Now,
बेनिफिट क्या होगा? वर्क कर रहे कोई दूसरा डिलीट कर सकता है बोलते आप
With ourselves
Sir?
also, because by chance,
एक्सीडेंट
right click, shadow copy, how to copy that. So first we need to know where is our share folder, this database folder. So here, so right click, click on properties and shadow copy and click on enable.
आमिर
Here, 551. So whatever data is available till 451, so whatever is going to delete, we can recover.
only for
Yeah. Not recover. Till whatever from the starting beginning, when your company will start, right? Last 10 days, 50 days, whatever. Till 451, whatever you delete from this folder, you can recover, restore. But after 52, 452, whatever you create, you can't. So that time, what we need to do, only refresh. How to refresh? Is there any? Yes. So that time you can access, right? You click on OK. Right click, shadow copy. No. Delete. Shift. Only delete. Right? Delete. So deleted because his user accidentally delete him or I've administered accidentally delete from my side, right? Doesn't matter, right? From his side, he can restore. My side, I can restore, right? Go back, right click alpha folder and click on properties, altar. Okay, or layer altar. No. Previous version. Click on previous version. Now click on restore. Click on restore. Click on OK. Click on OK. Open folder.
after doing all that you need to refresh
Administrator will
only
be refreshed, right?
administrator.
But restore you also
We can
the whatever file because I give you the full permission, right? You have full permission. So that is the reason you can restore, right?
but only administrator can refresh the drive.
Yes, that thing I need to update the shadow copy. So update the administrator. No, because you need to first the server, right? How it's possible. Right?
Delete होगा अगर
See here,
refresh
create the name. आप click right click Usman भाई के नाम से create ये Usman, right? Delete. Okay. Now refresh. Please restore. Yes. Right click back. Right click properties. Properties. Previous version. Restore. Restore. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now create. One. Restore. Restore. Okay.
यार admin refresh नहीं करो तो वो क्या
Administrator do its own work. Okay. So that is the drawback. This is only temporary, right? Because administrator will configure because administrator. so many things because administrator every file can't store, right? So administrator and user because new user is coming. So I take the detail. Maybe it's come tomorrow office or not. He like to join or not. Doesn't matter, right? Right? Create the all details, right? Till that time, not confirm. So the same like that. If I do like that, so my desktop, my unnecessary occupy my hard disk. So that is the reason administrator will configure this shadow copy, right? If delete 2 days he is not update, right? Third day is coming. So administrator thinking 1 day is not coming, so delete it, right? It's come back. So again I need to ask everything, right? So that is the reason he's going to restore, right? So administrator will do his own. You have to do your enable and delete before leaving office when you come office work according to your time. Right? When leaving, when you in the company. Clear? Got the point? So this is the shadow copy and offline folder, share folder, sharing permission. Now, yes.
इससे पहले तो उसमें देखा जाए देखो आज ये वाला ये पूरा डिलीट कर दो
455 तक whatever
ये डिलीट कर this was last previous data sir and the previous
one more folder. Yes, it will be stored. You can do it. That is the reason I'm telling the time is important. When you created that file, previous file.
ऐसा है सर एडमिन होंगे डिसेबल एनेबल कर दो तो डेटा है ना तो डिलीट कर दो
अब डिलीट कर
डिसेबल एनेबल कर दो
फर्स्ट थिंग कोई भी एडमिशन डिलीट करके यूनिबल डिसेबल कर रहा
नहीं सर
अगर हो गया
अगर सिर्फ एडमिशन के पास नहीं ना सर से ऐसे ये करना था तो दूसरे वाला कर दिया
तो इसीलिए बोला टाइम रिस्ट्रिक्शन यहाँ पे क्या टाइम हो गया इनेबल डिसेबल वैसे करना हो
तो
तो 458
तो 458 लगा रहता है
yes whatever it is
इससे पहले जो डेटा डिलीट हुआ हो ट्रांसफर
time so update time is now till 58 because the enable are disable so maximum the company only administrator temporarily will do everything is database right before you are going so automatically backup will start backup to the people right so clear now I want to hide the folder because I want to nobody can because secure means for example account people right doesn't want to access doesn't want to see the folder right so only account people can see right because if the folder the people are seeing the name so people try to access that one okay so they want to break the security so that is the reason administrative company policy it never show the name never show to anybody right only particular department people can access right so how to hide the shareholder right simple one right yes here right click how to hide the shareholder yes. सर नमाज को जाके बोलिए नहीं कर है किसका है वो झट का रजिस्ट्रेशन से करवाए परमिशन दे तो देर में आ गया
ग्रुप पर भी इसकी कर सकते हैं ग्रुप पर जैसे ड्राइव देख सकते
राइट क्लिक प्रॉपर्टी
हैं
और हाँ बोलो बस दे कर सकते
Sir, we have given already permission to use computer.
Yes.
So we can unhide from this one.
right वहाँ communicate 27,000 और जिसको किराया नहीं 27 रुपए राइट 10,000 की तो पड़ा है His name is Kampal. No, no. Platform, no, it's getting to learn platform. It's getting to learn the learning. Instead of learning, you can go with the platform. Learning skill is really good. Yeah. Really correct. मैं 8 महीने के बाद बोल रहा हूँ मतलब लैब बता 8 महीने के मतलब हाँ रिकॉर्डिंग और पहले रिकॉर्डिंग ये चीज की प्रैक्टिस जितना प्रैक्टिस करेंगे क्यों दिस इज अ न्यू थिंग राइट फॉर यू दिस इज अ न्यू थिंग सो यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रैक्टिस यू शुड बी मेमोराइज द स्टेप कौन सी चीज कहाँ पे रहती है यू नीड टू नो दैट्स ओके क्लियर so here
hidden file
hidden file yes you can hidden file so your file option folder view show right you can say access to and one yes alpha okay what folder is there I can see right
only function this is
no everyone but everyone can access but everyone they have to do like that show and yes and hide but from here from the server I need to go send the server file view option view so that time I can right clear now according to history so how can you understand carefully अब नहीं तो 27 है ये 3 है अब याद clear right click property new folder create right new create folder क्या नाम है share यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे right I want to share this folder right so right click not sharing. Now select here. Now here dollar sign. Once you create the share folder, you can't assign. Right? So that's what you need to do. So first you need to uncheck the share folder. Remove sharing and again you assign sharing. So that's why the symbol is come. Otherwise not. Permission, whatever permission, everyone can access. Will apply. Okay. Okay. Close. Open. Right click. There you go. Unhide this one. Right. Right. Now log on. Access. Outside. SH. No, it is not so. After actually 4 आ गया.
Share name.
बोलते हैं. कीबोर्ड का प्रॉब्लम है सॉरी. ऑफलाइन का भी मेरा भी फिर आपका आ गया. ये अनशेयर अप्लाई. ओके. अप्लाई. बैठ जाओ. But I want to access. How can I access? Because that is a private. Okay, for folder, so I need to tell you. How can access? Access करके दिखाओ जो folder को. हर चीज के लिए access.
Run command.
हाँ, open run. Do it. आपको बिना लगा कैसे कर सकते हैं? Brain. हाँ. हाँ. सबसे पहली चीज where is SH dollar in the network. But SH folder where is available? Where is available? Server. Right? So server name. Double slash and server name. And slash inside. No, this one back. Now this time is became a inside. This slash will be inside. Now is the SH dollar symbol. Yes. Okay. So I can give the permission full control. You can access and whatever you want, you can do. Clear? Got the point? Hide the shape folder. How to hide the shape folder? How to access? Offline 27,000 रुपए देके ऑफलाइन नहीं करो. मतलब 3 कोर्स के लिए अगर डिवाइड करें तो good work. So doesn't matter. So what we need to continue the class or stop the class, right? Stop it.